welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, currently 10:45 in the morning. We've been online since 10:30 and we have our first order here from Silver Diner showing $6.75. I want to say almost 4 miles. But you know what, for breakfast, it's not a bad order. A couple of items. The food was ready, so then we're back on the road. Today's goal is going to be around $200. I'm not entirely sure how long we're going to dash into, mainly because of the weather. It's supposed to start snowing around 1 p.m. and not stop till like tomorrow. So I'm gonna play by ear, but really, I mean, if I make $117, I'll be happy because that's how much I need to win at $1,000 for the whole week. But ideally, I know that I can do that, but I want to do more. But because of the weather, I don't know how realistic it is. But as of right now, we're gonna take almost everything we can because of that. The fact that around 1 or 2 it's gonna start snowing, you know, and according to their predictions, it's supposed to be pretty bad. So you're not gonna catch me out here, you know, doing deliveries while sliding and whatnot. Anyways, we'll see you guys at the drop-off. Just like that, it went from $6.75 to $12.25. So not a bad first order. Gonna make our way back to the town center. We'll see you guys on the next one. So we did have our next order here from Papa John's. It was showing at $6.25, less than 2 miles. But when I got there, the guy told me that they had already delivered it. Like, they used their own drivers to deliver the order. And he wasn't sure why it was showing up as a DoorDash order. And I was like, okay, well, let me talk to support. So he was like, yeah, you go ahead and cancel it. And I was like, let me go ahead and talk to support and give me my half pay. So that's what I did. And then it being like $4.62. And then we're back here at Chipotle for our next order, showing $6.50, 3 miles. Let's get it. We got the food picked up. And I was going to release a video yesterday, but for some reason, my dumbass, because it's my fault, I actually deleted the video. I thought I was backing it up, but I must have hit delete. I don't know. Basically, I wasted, you know, it was a solid video. There was a lot of cool stuff that happened. I got some big orders and whatnot, but hey, it is what it is. So apologies for that. But yeah, we're 5 minutes away here from the drop-off, and everyone's just going to the grocery stores. Like I said, it's supposed to snow significantly, and I don't want to say people like go into chaos mode, but they do. Like, I guarantee you probably can't find any bottle of water, toilet paper, you know, canned goods. Like, people think it's gonna be Armageddon, you know. And they've already started treating the roads since like a couple of days ago, and that's how I know that snow was for real when they pre-treat so early, you know. So hey, I'm ready. You know, I'm ready for the snow. I love the snow. I mean, I'm not gonna drive doing deliveries, but you know, I feel like when it snows like that where you can't do anything, to me that's the universe's way of saying, you know what, take a day off, stay home. And that's what I'm gonna do. Well, actually, it's gonna be the same because I usually take Mondays off anyways. So I think I'm just gonna end up staying home tomorrow, like I normally would. But we'll see. I mean, I do want to dash one of these Mondays because everyone keeps telling me that Mondays are busy and Tuesdays suck. And Tuesdays have been pretty crappy lately, so who knows? I might give that a shot. We'll see you guys at the drop. Guys, after doing the last drop off, we made it back to the town center. I basically just waited. It was really, really slow. I'm not even getting garbage offers, really. And then I got this order here from True Food Kitchen showing $6.25. I think it's like 3 miles tops. Food was ready, so we're back on the road now, 5 minutes away. Currently 12:24. Let's go. After doing the last drop off, we made it back to the town center. Maybe parked for about 5 minutes until we got this order here from Total Wine. $13 payout. So of course we jumped on it right away. Nice cash flow. Let's go. So we got the orders dropped off from Total Wine. And now we're back in the town center, and it's just really slow. I guess it's fitting, right? The whole week has been like this, so I guess it makes sense for it to end on a slow note. But yeah, currently 1:15 in the afternoon, and we're sitting around like $50, give or take. So not the greatest day, but I still think we can at least do 116 to end the week at $1,000, or hopefully more, hopefully 200. I don't know how long it's gonna take for us to get another order, but we'll see you guys on the next one. Alrighty guys, as you can see, it's starting to snow a little bit. We got our next order here from Robex, showing $6.25, a couple of items. And it's good because it had been about maybe 20 minutes without doing any orders, so I'm glad the order came in. And I saw that it started snowing, so hopefully the food is ready. I'll see you guys in a bit. As you saw, it's starting to snow a little bit. We do have the order here from Robex. It was ready. Now we're about 5 minutes away from the drop-off, and the snow at the moment is basically a non-factor because it's just a little bit of flurries. But I just checked the weather report, and it's supposed to get a lot worse. So my more immediate goal right now is just to do $1,000 for the whole week, and then go ahead and call it a day. I don't see us staying out that much longer, mainly because, you know, it's almost like a unnecessary risk. You know, I don't need to be out here. I'm sure stores are gonna close early and whatnot, so what's the point, you know? Just picked up our next order here from Five Guys, showing $6.25, 2.5 miles. And now the snow is really starting to come down. There is some slight accumulation, so again, the goal is to do $1,000 and then go ahead and call it a day. We're not that far off, but then again, it's just really, really slow, which is weird because, you know, it's Sunday, there's football going on, so there's bad weather, so I'm surprised it's not like super busy, you know? So maybe it was people's New Year's resolution to use DoorDash less, you know? I don't know. Anyways, we'll see you guys on the next one. Just accepted our next order here from Total Wine, showing a $17.25 payout. It is going 12 miles, but I'm taking it because of how slow it is. That's the only reason why I'm taking it, because of that cash flow. So hopefully it all works out. We'll see you guys in a bit. So we got the order picked up here from Total Wine. No issues at the checkout or anything. Now we're back on the road, about 20 minutes away, and the snow is really coming down right now. I mean, I thought I would see plows going by, but I haven't seen anything yet, so that's why it's accumulating. But anyways, I don't know if we're gonna stay out much longer, mainly because it's slow. It'd be different if I was dashing and it was busy, but it's slow, you know? So anyways, we'll see you guys at the drop-off. Alrighty guys, so we get the order dropped off. Currently 3:18 in the afternoon. We're sitting around $80. So not the greatest dash. And you would think with the weather and the fact that it's Sunday, it would be busy, but you know, it's just not. It is what it is, I guess. I'm only gonna dash till 5. I looked at the weather report. It's supposed to be pretty manageable until then, and then after that, it's really coming down. So I'm only gonna dash till 5. If we get it, if we get the 116, cool. And if we don't, we don't. But I'm not gonna risk it all here for a couple of dollars. We'll see you guys on the next order. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're still making our way back to the town center. I just wanted to show you guys the current road conditions. It's only gonna get worse. So I'm really thinking about going home right now. I'm not that far from the town center, so give it a few minutes. If we don't get something worth taking, then we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We'll see you then. You can see we're in the garage in the town center because there's nowhere to park. They're shoveling, they're doing the snow removal in the town center. So anyways, I'm surprised by the amount of low paying offers that I'm getting. I get it, it's busy because no one's taking these orders. I'm not gonna take them either. I think I'll take a couple of screenshots, but if I didn't, trust me, awful orders. I think I'm gonna give it to about 4:10. It's currently 3:53, so we're gonna get an order by then, and we're just gonna go ahead and call it a day. Hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Alrighty guys, now I'm having app issues. My app signed me out, I signed back in, it signed me out, I signed back in, it signed me out. And now I keep saying that I keep missing orders. Like they'll come up on my screen for like half a second, and before I can even think about them, it says like I missed it or whatever. So you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and go home. Today is one of those days where at least we made $80. You know, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my dash on as I'm driving home. If we get something along the way, cool. And if we don't, we don't. We'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, sorry if I sound like I'm yelling. I'm trying to talk over my fan for my defroster. It's really loud. I mean, I can hear it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. The app is glitching. The offers that I'm getting are garbage. The weather's really bad at the moment. You know, so there's no point in staying out. There really isn't. We're gonna go ahead and finish the dash here at $80.24. Probably my worst dash in a long time. I think we average about $14 an hour. It is what it is. We couldn't hit the goal of $1,000 this week, but then again, considering how slow the week has been, I'm pretty happy that we got even this close, to be honest. We're gonna finish the week at $963.80. I think that's pretty respectable. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming along. I know today's video is probably super short, but I tried. I mean, I tried to give you guys some content, but really, you know, the stars just aligned against it, I guess. Anyways, thank you so much for coming along. Y'all be safe, take care, subscribe, peace.